Imagine driving across a massive bridge that can think for itself, a bridge that senses danger before it happens, a bridge that uses artificial intelligence to protect lives. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is real technology already saving structures around the world. AI is becoming the unseen guardian of modern infrastructure. It monitors, it predicts, and it prevents catastrophic bridge collapses before they occur. Today, we'll explore how this futuristic system works and why it matters. Bridges are some of the most important structures in human civilization. They connect cities, they carry millions of vehicles every single day. Yet beneath that strength lies a hidden vulnerability. Every bridge faces constant stress from weather and weight. Over time, materials weaken. Small cracks appear, rust spreads. A single unnoticed fracture can trigger a total collapse. And history shows us how devastating those moments can be. To stop this from happening, engineers now turn to AI. It starts with smart sensors installed across the entire bridge. These sensors continuously collect data from every section. They detect vibration, measure temperature, record strain and movement. Every tiny detail is captured. The data is then sent to powerful AI systems in real time. The AI learns what normal bridge behavior looks like. It studies thousands of data points every second. When something unusual happens, the AI spots it instantly. A vibration pattern that feels wrong, a joint that moves slightly more than expected, a section of steel expanding faster than it should. Within seconds, the system warns engineers before damage grows. The secret lies in machine learning and predictive algorithms. AI doesn't just read data, it understands it. By comparing new data with past behavior, it finds hidden trends. This allows it to predict failure before it begins. Some systems use digital twins to simulate real bridges. These virtual copies experience the same stresses as the actual structure. Engineers can test repairs inside the digital twin first. If the simulation shows weakness, they act immediately in the real world. Advanced AI models also analyze drone footage of bridges. They identify tiny cracks that human eyes can miss. The result is a living, intelligent structure that monitors itself. AI becomes the bridge's nervous system and brain combined. The goal is simple: zero bridge collapses and a safer, smarter future for everyone.